Hi guys. So I got in the New World open beta. Uh, I wanted to try the game and see how it. I played the beta started on the 9th and is gonna end on the 12th. And I played around 8 hours until now. So after 8 hours, one thing is sure: the game is good. Yeah, it's a great game. It looks pretty good. The combat is entertaining and it's a little bit different, but it has a big fucking problem. Uh, a problem that I personally, it's like a deal breaker for me. So it has that forward movement that we've seen on Ashes of Creation also, and they change it. Every attack, every ability you use, it has a forward movement that you can see on the screen now. So every attack you do, it's a heavy attack, a normal attack, an ability, whatever it is, it just pushes you forward. And that's very annoying. It's very annoying in a MMO combat, because when you have a mob in front, it's okay. You stop in that mob. You can't go further. Yeah, and it's fine. It works okay, let's say. But if that mob strafes and moves left or right, you just go past him. Yeah, and if you fight on a ledge, on a bridge, on some place when you can fall or something, you just go past him and just you're gonna fall from that bridge or ledge or whatever it is. Also, you have the possibility to miss a lot of attacks because of this forward movement. Yeah, I'm not saying that you maybe by playing a lot you get used to it somehow and you're gonna anticipate this movement and just correct it, but it's very annoying. It shouldn't be in MMO, this kind of forward movement. Also, if you do an ability, you can't move left, right because of this forward movement. You are locked in that movement, and you can't like, let's say you want to dodge an attack or change your position. Yeah, you can't do that because of that movement forward. So you are locked in that animation. So that's very annoying. Yeah, that's a deal breaker for me. I'll say if I would have played like this game, or I'll let's say I'm a fan of this game, and I get this game with this combat. No way, man. I mean, for me that's not good. Yeah. Also, I found some really annoying sound bugs. Like it's a, I'm gonna show you in the video, and you're gonna can hear that annoying sound. It's like a rainforest background that starts from nowhere and disappears like it never was, but it's very annoying. And also when you are fighting an enemy, sometimes the combat noise sound disappears completely. So you have music or background noises or whatever, but the combat sound is just disappears. Yeah. Well, that's it. That's all I got after 8 hours of playtime. This thing with the combat is very annoying. Well, I'll keep playing the game for the duration of the beta, and maybe I'll make a video at the end with my impression. Yeah, have a nice one. See you around, guys.